Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to run full virus scan on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. Hold Windows key button and press R, and here you need to type MRT. After this guys, just click on OK. Now guys, you can get this type of window. As you can see, Microsoft Window malicious software removal tool. So this is the software removal tool. Just click on next button, and here if you want to scan full your Windows 11 PC, you need to select full scan like this. After this guys, just click on next. It will start the scanning process of your Windows PC. As you can see, it will take some time. After the scanning process was completed guys, you can get this type of window. So it means now your scanning process was completed. Remember one thing guys, it will take more time to complete this process. Don't disturb this process. You can minimize this window and you can also do your work. That's it. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.